Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Thursday, December 5th, ahead of tomorrow's unemployment number. Well, the markets yesterday, the good news is they were mixed. So we had a plus day in the E-mini S&P in the futures anyways, up a quarter point, 1791 and 3/4. Got as high as 1799 and a half. We had a positive surge after gapping open lower once again and went positive, but gave up those gains, went back down to 1777 and 3/4 before fighting back to finish a little bit positive on change. Dow futures down 5, 15,866. The low was 15,785, so finished nearly 100 points off the lows. The Nasdaq fought back to be positive, up 6 3/4 at 3482 and 1/2 on the session yesterday. Currencies quiet, dollar index finishing at 80.63. The euro currency was down 3 at 135.88, having trouble getting above that 136 level we keep talking about, that if it does, could target a 4-point move up to 140 from a technical standpoint. Bonds were down a full point yesterday, 129.05. Yields pushing higher. That was a concern in the marketplace yesterday. The low yesterday was 128.29 in the 30-year, so 128 is that important low from earlier this summer that we saw that we want to keep an eye on. Crude oil, big news there, moving to the upside once again. New 6-month highs, 97.20 up 116. The high was 97.58 on the session, so broke out of that sideways channel that we talked about, 93 to 95, and really followed through again yesterday. And believe it or not, gold up 26 bucks yesterday, 1247, caught the short and pushed it higher yesterday. So we'll want to see over the next couple days if he gets a follow through back to this 1250 pivot level that we've been talking about on a weekly basis. So after the volatility yesterday, where do the markets stand here on this Thursday morning ahead of the unemployment number? Well, right now we're pretty unchanged. We're down 1790 and 3/4 in the E-mini S&P, down 10 points in the Dow futures, 15,876, but we're up 3 in the Nasdaq at 34.85. Currencies are going nowhere, 80.60 in the dollar, so keep an eye on that 80.50 level and that 136 level on the upside in the euro. The euro right now is 135.94, approaching that one more time. Bonds getting a little bit of a tick up, 129.11. The yield on the 30-year Treasury is at 3.89%, and the yield on the 10-year note is at 2.82%, which is starting to get a lot of attention. Crude oil pushing higher once again, pressing yesterday's highs, up 30, 97.50, and gold giving back $15 from yesterday at 12.32. So rapid current action, 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open. We're steady right now to a little lower, down 10 in the Dow and down 1 in the E-mini S&P at 1790 and 3/4. I will see you early Friday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. As the unemployment numbers come out, I will be here on air with this report. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.